So today we are going to go over problem and solution as a class. Problem and solution is a new story element, and we will be going over what these story elements are and practicing it together as a class. The story elements that we've gone over so far are setting, character, sequencing, and problem and solution is just going to add to those story elements that we can practice, and it can help us understand and comprehend what's going on in the story better. So before we begin the lesson, I just want to tell you guys a quick story, and I want to see if you guys really can figure out how to determine what the problem and solution really is within the story. So I'm just going to make this up. So a boy, his mom, and his baby sister all went to the pumpkin patch. Is there a problem here? No, right? When they got to the pumpkin patch, they searched for the largest pumpkin they could find, but unfortunately, there were no more wagons to put it in. Fortunately, though, they did find the largest pumpkin in the patch. Mom thought, what can we do? How can we get this pumpkin to the car? They tried to lift it first, then they tried to drag it, but both didn't work. Then they took the baby sister out of the stroller and used the stroller as the wagon. They put the pumpkin in the stroller and got the pumpkin to the car, bringing the pumpkin home. So, who can tell me what they think the problem in this story is? Yep, the problem is that there were no more wagons left at the pumpkin patch, right? And they wanted to get the heaviest pumpkin and the biggest pumpkin they could find, but there was no wagon to put it in, and they couldn't carry it themselves. So the problem was that, like we said, there was no more wagons at the pumpkin patch. Now who can tell me what they think the solution is? How did they solve this problem? So the solution was that they took the baby sister out of the stroller and used the stroller as the wagon. So they were able to hold the baby sister, who is heavier or lighter than the pumpkin, do you think? Lighter, right? So they could hold the baby sister, and they could put the heavy pumpkin that they could not carry on their own in the stroller and use that as the wagon.